Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2018 GMC Acadia. The GMC Acadia is great capability coupled with exceptional safety, offering better highway fuel economy than any other 8-passenger SUV. Advanced technology and thoughtful ergonomics, the Acadia is a premium utility that rejects compromise and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 5,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, Bose sound system, heated seats, quad seating, XM satellite radio, anti-lock braking system, power passenger seat, moonroof, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.